लोग को मतलब सुझाव देना मतलब अपने पैर में कुल्हाड़ी मारना, समझे? जो करना करने दीजिए लोग। Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra. So today is 4th September 2020. Today is Thursday. आज Thursday है क्या? Okay, no. So today is Friday, not Thursday. Today is Friday. And Sopan Bhaiya is installing our brand new Orient Ujala ceiling fan. We have already installed the blades. And right now he is doing the connection of the wires with this down rod. और क्या चाहिए? ये देखिए कैप, वो ओरिएंट वाला लिखेगा ऊपर जाएगा, वाला नीचे जाएगा। हाँ, so we forgot to install the cap first, so now we have opened up the down rod nut, and again we are installing the down rod after installing the cap. इसको हम अलग से दें क्या? हो जाएगा।
पकड़िए तो मैं खड़ा होने नहीं सकेगा,
जाएगा तो को दिख रहा है, लाइट दिखाए खप्पा। अच्छा, वो रॉड लगाना जरूरी है मतलब ना? हम सोच रहे थे डायरेक्ट लग जाएगा। So guys, my brand new Orient Ujala ceiling fan has been installed. We're gonna check the fan very soon. ऑन करके देखें। Guys, now it's working. So guys, the fan installation has been done, and this is how the fan is looking and running at around 250 to 300 RPM speed. The maximum RPM of this fan is 330 RPM, and the wattage is 50 watt, not more than 50 watt. So this is an eco-friendly fan, which is really nice. So thumbs up to Orient Electric, thumbs up to Orient Ujala.
साक्षी का जो माल है ना,
हाँ हाँ,
99% 2 नंबर माल,
हाँ,
इसीलिए दाम का
फिर बताएंगे, है ना? ये सब पंखा को भी एक्स्ट्रा लेके रखेंगे तो आपको खबर करते हो, जो ऑफर है मेरे को मिलेगा ना। So guys, the installation of Orient Electric Ujala ceiling fan, 1200mm ceiling fan has been completed. This is how the fan looks after installing it on ceiling. It's looking really shiny and really nice. So thumbs up to Orient Electric. And yeah guys, if you like the review video, plus if you like the installation video of this Orient Ujala ceiling fan, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it quickly, because in the near future plenty of more videos like these are coming really soon. This is Evewin Lakra saying peace to all and happy fanning.
I love Orient fan. Very cool. There goes the plane. Evewin.